Hello everyone, I'm Shambhav Singh and you are watching PwC News. Today I'm standing in Patna Women's College where Student Research Project Presentation SRP is currently underway. It is taking place in the Kamal Hall of Patna Women's College where students from different departments has participated. They are doing research on various domains and fields and showing their expertise and innovative minds. This student research project program is organized for 4 days from 5th of January to 9th of January. During SRP, students present their research before attentive audience, supervisor, and expert judges. Each presentation reflects months of academic effort and practical learning. A question and answer session follows where judges ask insightful questions encouraging students to think critically and confidently explain their research. Now let's know from the participant of SRP how was their experience of the presentation.
बहुत ही कमाल का एक्सपीरियंस था। बहुत अलग-अलग जगह से प्रोफ़ेसर आए थे, कुछ उसमें से जेएनयू से भी थे, तो बहुत कुछ सीखने मिला। अब अगर आगे बच्चे यहाँ से पीजी का प्लान कर रहे हैं, तो उनको एक देखने मिल रहा है कि अलग-अलग यूनिवर्सिटीज़ से किस तरीके से लोग निकल कर आते हैं। आप वहाँ से बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हैं। साथ ही साथ जब आप एसआरपी में काम कर रहे हैं ना, तो एक रिसर्च का आपको एक प्री एक्सपीरियंस होता है मास्टर्स में जाने से पहले कि कैसे क्या हैंडल करना है, क्या रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट है, क्या टाइम बाउंडिंग होती है, डेडलाइन पे कैसे काम कर सकते हैं, टीम वर्क के साथ कैसे काम करना है, कैसे कोऑर्डिनेट करना है।
Do you think that this research presentation has added value to your academic learning?
Definitely, it has added a lot of value to our academic learning. The research concepts that we learned through this SRP was very thought provoking, insightful, and it will be with us for all our future endeavors. So, thank you very much.
The objective of SRP is to promote research based learning, critical thinking, and real world problem solving among students. Faculty members, supervisors, and area coordinators have played a crucial role by evaluating projects and guiding students to turn research into meaningful outcomes. So, now let's know what all they want to say about this program. As you are the area coordinator of this SRP presentation, how do you think that this research project will add value to the students' learning?
See, institutions of higher education are supposed to give impetus to research, and they are supposed to train students so that they are prepared for research and further development and contribute to the nation and national growth. So, this is an initiative by Patna Women's College that's not new. We started it, long back, more than 2 decades back. So this practice has been going on. This is an annual feature of the college that students are asked to work on research projects under a supervisor who is, the teacher of the department, and they take up, very innovative and very good topics, and the research they are like, they are trained to work for further, research. The way, they work, and the presentation is very impressive, and their research report is very good, and the best of the papers is also published in the journal that the college takes out, that is Explore and Iris for science. So I find that, this is, something that students in other colleges, they don't, get a chance to do, and our students are privileged that, they get a chance, to be trained by teachers so that they turn up to become good researchers in the future.
As you were the supervisor of SRP, how do you think that these research platforms are important for students in the academic level or in the practical learning?
See, research is very integral. It's very integral part of academia, and these days there's a lot of emphasis on research. All right, and I think that students are very fortunate to receive this platform at this level in this college. It's very important because research leads to something new. All right, so I mean. Here they get a chance at the undergraduate level also, so it actually helps them in learning many things. Okay, they explored something new for the first time, or maybe they add something to something that is already existing. So I think it's a very important part of their curriculum, and I'm glad that they get a chance to have the experience in this college.
Thank you, ma'am. As an area coordinator, how important do you think the research exposure is for and at the student level?
See, at the undergraduate level, I mean, coming down, the students of commerce and management or any other department and stream, they are getting an opportunity to explore various options. So you get a kind of exposure how to collect the data, how to analyze it, and it is not just by something like percentage analysis in simple terms. This time especially we observed that people have used different methods like mean and mode. People had also used, the girls had also used chi-square method. So they are really doing well. So at a later stage, as you see that with the new education policy, this is the requirement of the time. Like when you're doing your final year, you'll be required later on during this 4 year term. Now, as you know, the graduation is going to be 4 years. You need research, so you get an option to do research as well, and especially for those who are interested in going ahead with the PhD or any kind of research or project. This is particularly useful. So it gives you a plinth, it gives you a base, to start what is preliminary research at a small level, which you can, once you develop an understanding, definitely you can do it at a higher level. So how the research is conducted, how you collect the data, and what are the methods by which you need to analyze, what are the different parts of a report. So all these things you learn at this young level. That is very, very important. So it's a very important exposure for the students at this time.
Experts believe that platforms like SRP not only strengthen academic foundations but also inspire students to stay curious, ask questions, and use research as a tool to create meaningful impact. Overall, this SRP presentation initiative taken by Patna Women's College is proving to be a successful one, as they are adding value to the academic and practical learning of students. I, Shambhavi Singh, with camera person Shruti, PwC News.